Hi friends, this is your DubeTech Bestie, and today's video we are going to see how to download the recovery software to recover the deleted files and data. Let's jump into the video. We have given the link in the description. Click the link to direct our download. Watch step by step to know how to download this file to your computer. Just add the tick mark on this file which you have to download and right click and click the download link. And click start downloaded the file. I have already have this file in my computer, so we have not downloaded this one. Now you are going to see how to install this software. We already have this software, so we are going to install from my computer. Click the next button and accept all the agreements and click next. If you want to change the destination file, change the destination file what you want. Click next and create a desktop icon. Install it now. Finish it. Now click X. Now the software will be appear. There are two options given there: deleted files recovery, advanced file recovery. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.